Hey everybody, today I'm in Vicenza, Italy, and I'm walking to the top of Monte Berico today. We're going to see La Madonna di Monte Berico, which is like a church that has a beautiful view. And we're just going to take a little walk. I walked up this hill already. And they have this beautiful covered walkway. So maybe I'll cross and we'll check it out. We're in Italy in the city of Vicenza. Here's a picture of the church in the distance. That's Monte Berico. Here we have like an old fresco. Place to park. Beautiful archways. Oh, let's take a look at that view across the street. So we're on top of Vicenza. You could see a little bit of Vicenza poking through. We walked by a couple of hikers. We're in Italy, but I think they're speaking English. There's an American military base not too far from here in Vicenza, so maybe they're going for a hike. I just want to give a shout out to a friend of the channel. I was reached out to by Ramon. He's an avid walker from Germany. I just want to say a big shout out to Ramon. Hopefully he keeps following the channel. Here we go. Look at this Monte Berico. This is supposed to be the spot where the Virgin Mary revealed herself. Here's a little Italian shop. Some religious items. So you can see over here, we've got the view of Monte Berico, the church. Let's see if we can get the shot. It's a little cloudy today, but still good. Now I'm going to take you a look at the view over the top of Vicenza. If you're going to be in Vicenza, definitely come up here. This view is amazing. It just rained, so it's going to be really clear today. Look at this view.
Guarda come si vedono bene le giostre da qui. Pietrigno.
Quella è la giostra che va su e giù con le persone su. Vediamo.
Look at that view. What a view. Well, if you're ever in Vicenza, come up here to Monte Berico. Take a look at the city. You can see in the distance the railway. The Duomo in the center. A couple of churches. I believe the green roof in the distance is the Duomo. And in the far distance is the Alps, or the pre-Alps maybe, the mountains. So we're right before the Alps start. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys with this view. Thanks for walking with me.